Cubism is a school of art that uses geometric forms and multiple contrasting vantage points. It was coined by Louis Vauchel after seeing the landscapes Braque had painted in 1908 at L'Estoque in emulation. He called the geometric forms in the highly abstracted works cubes. Cubist painters like Picasso rejected the concept that art should copy nature or that they should adopt traditional techniques of perspectives, modeling, and foreshortening. Instead, they wanted to emphasize the two-dimensionality of the canvas. In 1910 to 1912, Picasso and Braque executed the high analytic cubism, also known as Hermetic, which they frequently combined representational motifs with letter. Then in 1912 to 1913, Picasso incorporated a great number of papier-collé in his works. Papier-collé is a method of pasting colored or printed pieces of paper in their compositions. Man with a Hat and Violin is one of Picasso's masterpieces which uses papier-collé. The clippings from the newspaper Le Journal are arranged into a schematic sketch of a man wearing a hat and holding a violin. The clippings refer to various topics, among which is the Balkan Wars, unrest in French mines, serial novels, advertisements, and the tragic story of a young man driven to suicide by unrequited love. One example of Cubism is The Bargeman by Fernand Léger. He had developed his own adaptation of Cubism and simplified the forms in his pictures into geometric components of the cone, cube, and sphere while leaving their contours unbroken. The Bargeman shows a boat set against a background dominated by facades of houses, which provided the artist the opportunity to combine several of his favorite themes: motion, the city, and men at work.
Created using Powtoon.